What if I told you you can generate and post LinkedIn content automatically using AI without writing a single line of code? Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Code Help. I'm Deepak, and in this video I will show you how I built a LinkedIn post automation using n8n and AI. This workflow can help developers, creators, or marketers post consistently on LinkedIn with almost zero efforts. What we are building, here's what this automation does. Let me show you. I manually trigger the workflow. AI generates LinkedIn post content. That content is automatically posted to LinkedIn. Let me show you the workflow. The first node is manual trigger. When I click execute workflow, this is a manual trigger perfect for testing or controller posting. When I click this execute the workflow will start. Then second step chat model or we can say AI API. I am using a chat model node which sends a request to my local AI API. We can also use ChatGPT, OpenAI API, and Gemini API as well. I use my own local AI. This is a think model of as ChatGPT working inside your automation. Third step is LinkedIn. Create a post. So finally, we have the LinkedIn create a post node. Whatever content the AI is generated, posted directly into the LinkedIn and post automatically. No copy paste, no manual posting. Now see execution demo. Now when I click on execute workflow, you can see one item flows through each node and the link AI is thinking it takes some time because we are using local AI. So let's wait for the response from the AI. I can show you the backend process on my AI as well. So this is the backend which my local Olama AI model is generating. So we can see the response from the AI as well. I used my local Olama 3 model. So it is generating some response. So we can see the AI model has processed and also LinkedIn posted successfully. Post. So I have opened this LinkedIn. Go to me sections and go to post and activities. Just click on this post again to refresh this or just refresh this. So we can see the LinkedIn post. It is post just now, and we can also see this. This is automation post posted by n8n workflow. It shows like Happy Wednesday LinkedIn community. I'm thrilled to share some breaking news like AI breakout, cyber securities. So it generates it automated content. Why it generates it automated? Because I have provided some prompts that is by default. Like if I click on this and open, let's see what I have asked my local AI model. So I have asked like you are an expert LinkedIn content creator, AI, generate a LinkedIn post. This is extremely powerful because you stay consistent on LinkedIn, you save time, you can scale content creation using AI. You can even schedule this, connect Google Sheets or generate post daily. You can use this automation for daily tech tips, project launch announcements, job updates, company branding posts. If you want a step by step tutorial where I build this workflow from scratch, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get code help, and share this video with someone who wants